We're going to make a foldable on multi-step equations. This is variables on both sides. Go ahead and label all of these. First one should be distribute, and this is only if needed. This one is combine like terms, and then move variables to one side, move constants to the other side, and the last one is to divide by the coefficient, or multiply by the denominator. Okay, so the problem that we're going to look at is going to be 4 parentheses x minus 3 plus 6x equals 16 plus 3x. Okay, so the first one is to distribute. Distribute means to put a number, to multiply it by what's inside of the parentheses. So this looks like 4 times x and 4 times 3. So we rewrite it. 4x, and then a positive 4 times a negative 3 is negative 12, plus 6x equals 16 plus 3x. We're just rewriting. This is going to look a lot like things with order of operations where you do the upside down triangle. You're going to narrow this stuff down to one final answer. So in this one, if there is one, you're looking for parentheses. Okay. Go ahead and rewrite that problem at the top up here. So you have 4x minus 12 plus 6x equals 16 plus 3x. Okay. On this one, we're combining like terms. That means putting the boxes with boxes, the rocks with rocks. So this would be a box, and this is a box. So this is 10x minus 12 equals 16 plus 3x. Okay. Go ahead and rewrite that again at the top. 10x minus 12 equals 16 plus 3x. So the first thing I want to do on this one is I want to move the variables. I want the things that look like boxes in the picture to be moved to one side. So I'm going to move this one this direction so that it is a positive number. So this is 7x minus 12 equals 16. Just keep in mind, whatever, if this is a positive, this is a negative. If this is a negative, this is a positive. It has to be the opposite, the inverse operation of that for you to be able to move it, because 3x minus 3x is 0. That's what your goal is. Okay, go ahead and rewrite that again. 7x minus 12 equals 16. Okay, so I moved the x's this direction, so I want to move the constants this direction. Okay, I'm on the constant one. So if this is a negative 12, I'm going to add 12. Negative 12 plus 12 is 0. Then you're going to add 12 to this side. and rewrite that again. Okay. Now this says 7 times x equals 28. So we're going to do the inverse of that and divide by 7. So x equals 4. Now if I take this number and I plug it back into the original problem, so 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So this would be 4 right here. 6 times 4 is 24. So this side is 28. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 16 is 28. So the 28 equals the 28. Okay. You can use this foldable at any point. If there's no distributive, you just start right here. If there's nothing right here to combine like terms on the same side, you just start on this one, because this is our 7th grade TEK right here, to do a one variable 2-step equation, because we're going to add 12 to both sides and then we're going to divide by 7. This is the 8th grade TEK. This is where it looks like in algebra, but we want to make sure we know all of those pieces so that we can go through algebra easily. Make sure you have that done, and if you can glue it into your journal, glue it in. If not, glue it in when you come in tomorrow.